If your Ford Ranger is cranking but won't stay running at idle, we are going to track down the culprit in under 3 minutes. Over 60% of these specific idling issues on Ford trucks are traced back to a single clogged component. Before you start buying expensive parts, let's run through a systematic diagnostic check. Always start by checking your battery voltage and looking for any obvious vacuum leaks that could starve the engine of air. The idle air control valve is the most likely failure point. Carbon buildup often jams the internal motor. If air isn't the problem, check your fuel pump relay and ensure your inertia switch hasn't accidentally tripped. You can try cleaning the valve with specialized spray, but a full replacement is usually the only permanent fix. Doing this yourself can save you hundreds in labor costs, as most of these parts are easily accessible. To replace the valve, just disconnect the battery, remove 2 bolts, and always use a fresh gasket. You only need basic hand tools and a can of cleaner to get your Ranger back on the road. Remember, a simple loose hose can fool the computer into thinking you have a major mechanical failure. If this guide helped you get your idle back to normal, hit that subscribe button for more Ranger troubleshooting.